rock stars! Hey, welcome! In this exciting episode, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 27 divided by 27 over 26, then times 26. First we do this multiplication. 27 over 26 times 26. We can easily cancel this 26 and this 26. So here we have this 27 only, and 27 divided by 27 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 27 divided by 27 over 26. To do this division, write down the 27, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 26 over 27. And here again, we have times 26. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 27 and this 27, which gives 26. And here again we have times 26. So here we have this 26 times 26, which equals 676. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell.